Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have something real special. Eryone was kind enough to send me a mystery box of filament. So let's open it together, see what we have, and find out what we can print.
Wait a minute. Why would somebody send you free filament? Do you have some kind of dirt on them? Let me know. Tell me what the secrets are.
No, sir. If you watch my vlogs, you would know why. But mostly thanks to the audience. Now let me get on with it. Alright, so let's see what we have today.
Hey, don't cut yourself.
So excited, guys. Thanks to you guys. This could not happen. It's like Christmas. Alright, looks like they sent me 6 rolls. Have no idea what I got. So, we're doing this together. Alright, this one is high-speed PLA dual color. Looks like a beautiful color. Orange and blue. So we got to find out what to print with that. Let's see what else we have. Alright, this one is another dual color. This is dual color burnt titanium, regular PLA. This one is green and rose red. I don't think I have this one yet. But you can't really tell right there, but once I open it up, and we'll be able to see a lot better. Like I said, it's like Christmas, guys. So this one is a hyperspeed PET G. Yellow, just basic yellow. I'm excited to find out what I can find to print with this. All right. This is ASA lightweight. This feels very light, like really light, almost like there's nothing here, just basic white. I've only printed with ASA once. It was to make a car part for a BMW for a friend. I don't really like the fumes that come off, but I'm curious to see what I can print with this one. This is a gradient mat. You know me and my gradients. This one is just called Granite. Looks like it's a pink and, sorry, it looks like it's a green and purple, or a yellowish and purple. And last but not least, this is going to be another Galaxy PLA. I love their Galaxy colors. They're absolutely amazing. I have a red one. I have a red one right down there. This is Omega Nebula. This looks like almost like a green. Almost like an army green. Can't wait to print with that. So, everyone sent us 6 rolls of filament. Let's jump over to Maker World and see what we can find to print. All right, after spending countless, I mean countless hours, I finally came up with some decisions. So with Mother Day being right around the corner, my wife loves butterflies and flowers. So I printed something decorative for her bathroom counter. And this is gonna be with the gradient mat, the granite, Got some wonderful yellow and purple colors in there. So as I'm going through Maker World trying to find out what to print, I found this thing. It prints in 7 layers, and I figured the way the transitions worked, this would be absolutely amazing. And it came out beautifully. Very beautiful. And everything else came out amazing as well with it. The rose, the transitions, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. Beautiful, beautiful color. This one was by far the quickest to find something online to print with. I've been wanting to print this sword for a very long time. And the way these colors came out were absolutely amazing. So, again, another model in Maker World. So now we have this dual burnt titanium. It's called green and rose red, but it looks more green and purple on the other side. I did not print anything with this besides the display pieces here because I have another project I'm going to be working on with this color. But those colors are beautiful. The transition into the rings from purple to green on the other side. Same with the boat. Same with the eggs. Just a beautiful color. All right, next on the list, this was another easy find. I already knew what I wanted to print. This is going to be with the Galaxy Omega Nebula. This is that goldish green. So I printed up this dice tower, a pirate dice tower, and I figured the gold with the gold flakes went well with this, which it did. I already have this one sold. All right, now for this Hyperspeed Pet G. This was another hard one to try to find. I know I wanted to do something for outside. My wife is infatuated with bees. She has all kinds of plants outside for bees. So I was going through and trying to see if I could find something for bees. And I came across this. It's a little water dish for the bees. You just put some water in there, put this in the ground, and they're good. So everything printed out perfectly fine with this. No issues. It had supports, have a little bit of scarring on the bottom, but something that can't be cleaned up. And this is gonna be for outside for all of her bees. So hopefully she likes it. Another Mother's Day present for her. And last but not least, I have the ASA lightweight. I spent countless hours online trying to find something to print with this. I've never really used ASA that much except for printing a BMW part. Let me know in the comments what I should print with this and I will. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna wrap it up for today's chaos. We finally got this mystery box open, checked out what Eryone sent us, and honestly, not a bad line.
Not a bad line, he says. Like he wasn't acting like it was Christmas just about 5 minutes ago.
Listen, mystery filament is exciting, okay? We got some awesome colors and some solid looking material. And with the few prints that I showed you guys, they came out looking pretty clean, wouldn't you agree?
And by clean, he means it didn't turn into spaghetti.
Fair enough, but really, some of these came out better than I expected. Now, I didn't get a chance to print with the lightweight ASA just yet.
Translation, he's scared of it.
I'm not scared of it. But I do want to hear from you guys. What should I make with it? Drop your ideas down in the comments, guys, because I think this filament deserves something awesome. And seriously, guys, big thank you to Eryone for sending over this mystery box. It's always a blast testing out new filament, experimenting, and sharing the results with every single one of you.
Free filament and content must be nice.
If you guys are interested in trying this filament out for yourself, make sure you check out the link below and take advantage of the discounts while you're there.
Save some money, feed your printer, everybody wins.
But most importantly, thank you guys for watching, thank you for supporting this channel, and thank you for sticking around for all this madness. Every view, every comment, every like, it means a lot.
Yeah, somehow you guys keep us going. And honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because apparently we're doing the same thing in a few weeks.
Oh, absolutely. I have another company that reached out to me. Thanks again, guys, and always print on, my friends.